This is the Overlook, a beautiful modern cabin in Leavenworth, Washington, with breathtaking mountain views. Let's check it out.
Woo! This view is incredible and definitely the jewel of this Airbnb. And they have the perfect seating area with a propane fireplace to enjoy it. I love the water below and the mountains in the distance. One of my favorite spots for sure.
They've also got heat lamps up above, so you can fire those up and feel real good when you're sitting out here. On the deck is also a grill for making up some dinner, and then
Plenty of wood for that indoor fireplace, which we'll get to.
and we're literally 5 minutes from the town of Leavenworth, which is a
Little mountain town that is so cute.
plenty of places to eat and shop, and it's so easy to find the Overlook. They've got a beautiful sign right out front. You just drive right on in and you're here at this beautiful cabin.
All right, I want to show them the inside.
Let's do it.
Okay. Right as you walk through the front door, you come into the little living space with a couple of very comfortable leather couches across from Hayden's favorite, the wood-burning stove inside. And over there, we've got some TV for entertainment.
The hosts were very intentional with their design of this cabin to have floor-to-ceiling windows that go all the way across and back the living room. That way you can enjoy this view from anywhere inside. And there's one more thing that I gotta show you.
Yes.
And a special piece to this room is this record player. And the living room flows right over into the kitchen and dining area. Of course, windows extending back here to let in that view while you're having a meal.
My favorite thing is they actually leave a Polaroid camera for you to take pictures with during your stay, and they provide some film so you can write them a little note and leave a photo and take some with you for memories. This modern decor is very sleek with all of the black and wood finishes. My favorite piece being this chandelier above the dining table. It's very unique and I love it.
The kitchen extends all the way into the living room, so you have tons of counter space, plenty of coffee appliances, floating shelves. It's fully stocked with everything that you could want, including a dishwasher, which is very nice. And then you've got an oven and a microwave, and then a fridge.
This morning has been so peaceful, and seeing the view from every meal is quite fantastic.
Agreed.
The rest of this home extends all the way back down this long hallway. First, off to the right is the formal entrance of this home with a little coat rack and place to store your things. Continuing on, you have your first bedroom off to the left with a queen bed and a really cool letter wall that you can put up your own message and do a little activity. Plus, each of these bedrooms have their own massive window to enjoy the view. So cute in there. If we keep going, off to the right-hand side, you have a shared full bath that has a double vanity and walk-in shower. And then the second bedroom with a king bed this time. And across from this bed, you actually have the plans of the build of this home as decoration on the wall. So it's a really cool piece to look at. And then again, a nice big window. You also have a laundry room off to this side. And then finally, the master.
And then this is the master bedroom with a king bed and also another very neat chandelier, very similar to the one in the dining room. And then windows to let in that natural light and to have that beautiful view while you're in bed.
And last but not least, the master bathroom behind us that has 2 vanities and really neat sinks that are a little slopey as you...
It's like a concrete slab.
Yeah, concrete slab. Love that piece. And then finally, a full massive walk-in shower with 2 shower heads and a window that lines the entire wall. So little bit of luxury there really throughout this whole home. So it's just fantastic.
To round off the bedroom, there is a little seating area, and then off to each side of the bed are some bedside lights.
So if you guys want to book this place for yourselves, we will leave a link in the description below. Please like this video and comment down below what your favorite part is, if you would make yourself a cup of coffee and enjoy that view, and then subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any more of these incredible places.